If you are having troubles having your legs straight and experiencing any tightness in your hamstrings, this video is for you. We're gonna work on improving our hamstring flexibility today. Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Anna Bendy. Welcome back to a new background, or welcome if you're new to the channel. And if you are looking for more support and guidance and community, I do have my Patreon account active. As a member, you'll get access to my exclusive content, breakdowns of the stretches, you'll get access to our group chat, and also DMs directly with me to answer any questions or give you direct support. We'll have weekly live calls where you can join us and other members for stretching together. I'm also posting some inspiration and more of a personal life things as well as stretching and flexibility to help you get better at your flexibility journey. The link will be down below on my Instagram and also in the pinned comment. Go check it out and I'll see you there. Let's get into it. And we are done. Thank you so much for stretching with me today. I hope this video was helpful. I hope your hamstrings feel better and looser and longer. If so, go ahead and send this video to somebody who might want to stretch with us as well. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram for more fun stuff. And if you are looking for a more visual guide, easy to follow, I do have my free PDF guide for you. The link will be down below in my description. You can download it, it's free. It has images and progression photos for all the parts of our bodies, our shoulders, our hips, our hamstrings, lower back, mid back, all the things you need to get you started. I'll see you in the next one.